Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Third thing, this is a reading from 22nd till the end of December. Okay, so let's start. Libra, your partner's current feelings for you right now are Libra. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are Libra. What your partner is currently feeling, let me see. Knight of Pentacles, okay. This person is feeling like you are moving towards them very slowly. You are not talking to them might be right now, and you're very slow to process everything. You're very slow in everything in your life right now. So this person is feeling like you are getting stable day by day, okay. You're getting stable, might be financially day by day, but this person is losing hope. This person is losing hope because they feel like you're very slow, or you are not able to make any kind of decision regarding this connection. So yeah, this person is feeling like although you are stable, although you feel you are coming towards them, but the energy is really slow. Might be they are not that much patient, or they're getting impatient because of your slow energy, slow moving energy. This is what they're feeling. Let me clarify. Okay, Seven of Swords and the Queen of Swords. Okay, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, so this person is feeling like uh you are having two people in your life. This person is feeling like you're hiding some kind of truth from them, or you're hiding some kind of someone from them. Might be something or someone from them. So this person is feeling like you are very slow, or you are not talking to them, or you are moving towards somebody else because you are hiding something or someone from them, right? Because might be you are hiding your true feelings from them. It could also be possible, but for most of you I feel like this person is spying on you, and they found out some kind of truth about you, and they feel like you are having somebody else also in your life, and that's why you are not talking to them, or that's why you are so slow towards them, or not having that much kind of uh, fiery energy or loving energy towards them. Okay, let me see. Okay, sorry. So let me see, Libra, what you are feeling for your person right now. Your feelings for them, your feelings for them right now are, let's see. Libra, your feelings for them right now. The Fool. Okay, you're feeling like this person has moved on. If you guys had a breakup recently, or you feel like this person is having a good life, they are restarting their life, and they are taking the risk of their life. Or it could also mean that you want to take a leap of faith with this particular person. You want to restart a connection with them. Okay, or you want to have a brand new beginning with them. You want to take the risk of your life with them. You feel like taking a risk of your life with them. Okay, let me clarify. Okay, basically I feel like you are seeing this person going away from you and having a completely different life, and you are feeling somewhat restless. Although this is a card of having a leap of faith and restarting a connection or restarting something in your life, but I feel you are getting restless because of this person. Let me clarify the Fool. This the Eight of Swords, the Nine of Wands, my god, and the Empress. You are complete you have a completely fucked up mind right now. You are not able to give up on this situation, not able to give up on this person right now. Okay, you're deeply hurt by something they did with you, or you did with them. I don't know, you're regretting something. Okay, and you are not able to come out of this jail. You have created this jail for yourself, and you're not ready to give up on this situation. Although I feel like this person is gone from your life, or you are going away from their life, or whatever the case may be, but you are not able to give up on the situation, and you feel like this person is an empress, this person is glowing, this person is growing, and this person is looking very very beautiful right now, okay, to you at least, okay, you feel like this person is looking very beautiful, doing good in life, and they have moved on from you. This is what you are feeling. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Libra. Let's see what this person wants from you. Page of Swords. What this person wants from you is communication. This person wants to communicate with you. Okay, they want you to open up. They want you to stop, just stop just stalking them on online, on Facebook or Instagram or something, and just text them. They want the clarity. They want the truth from you, truth out of you. This is what this person wants from you. Nothing but the truth. Let me clarify. Let me clarify the Page of Swords as what they want from you. The Two of Cups and the King of Swords and the Star. See, this person wants to you this person wants the truth out of you, and the truth is that you have lots of love for them, and you are hiding your love for them, and they just want both of you to be together forever, okay, and they just want healing from your side. They just want to heal the connection with you. This is what they want from you. They want you to open up and very very and to be very very clear and honest with them. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here, okay. So yes, definitely this person wants to have conversation with you. They want you to heal this connection. They want you to open up to them and understand that this is a soulmate connection. This is what they want from you. Let's see what you want from this person, Libra. What you want from this person. What you want from this person. Let's see. Let's see what you want from this person. Two of Swords. This person is on the crossroads right now. They are not able to see the truth of a situation right now. You want them to see the clear picture of a situation, or of this relationship, or of this connection with you. I have to clarify the Two of Swords. Basically, you feel like this person is not able to see the clear picture of this relationship with you, and they are in some kind of illusion, or they are not able to see whatever is in front of them. So you just want to see them the truth. Let me clarify the Two of Swords as what you want from them. Let's see. The Tower, the Hierophant, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you just want them to come out of the crossroads and realize that you could be dealing with a Taurus. I feel like specifically you could be dealing with a Taurus here, because the Hierophant is here and the Ace of Pentacles is here. So both these cards are telling me Taurus and Taurus. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, any of these signs, but Taurus is highly, highly highlighted here. So you want them to realize that you guys have a soul connection, and that you guys, can be a long-term partner in the future, and you want them to offer you some kind of friendship or something. And for others of you, I feel like you want them to get married to somebody else. You want them to you want them to come out of this crossroad situation. You want them to move on and get married to somebody else, or if there's a marriage proposal coming towards them, you just want them to go and get married to someone good. Okay, you want them to break the chains, you want them to break the cycle with you and just go away and get married to somebody else. It might sound harsh, but this is what you want from this person right now, to get settled in their life and to get married to somebody else. And for some of you, you just want this person to realize that there is potential in this connection with you, and you don't want them to leave you. Okay, Let's see what to expect from this person till the end of December. Libras, okay, relax, relax. Oh God, let's see what to expect from this person till the end of December. Devil, my God. Capricorn, there's toxicity, there's negativity, there's obsession, there's possessiveness, there's some kind of obsession. This connection is still on. I don't say this connection is over. There's toxicity, there's negativity, there's all kind of uh, obsessiveness from both the sides. But yeah, they're coming in. They're going to talk to you, but there's some kind of negativity around this connection, toxicity. Let me clarify. Could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Heavy earth sign energies here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again and again I'm getting that. Let me clarify the Devil. The Death card, okay. The Chariot and the Five of Cups. I feel like this person is coming to you to tell you that they are ending this connection with you, they are ending this relationship with you, and they are moving on, and that is going to make you really sad. That is going to make you really sad, Libra. I feel like this connection is ending. Okay? This devil energy, this toxicity is going to end. For some of you, I can see this is the end of the toxicity, this is the end of the negativity around you guys. But for most of you, I feel like this person is coming towards you and they are going to tell you that they want to end things with you, they want to move forward in your life, in their life, they want to end this toxicity, this obsessiveness, this possessiveness, okay? And they are going to be really sad about this, or it is you who is going to regret it, or who is going to grieve their loss for the time being. But you guys have to move on. There is no other solution. Let's see what is the guidance for you, Libra, from the universe. Seven of Cups. The universe wants to tell me, the universe wants to tell you that you have lots of options in your life. It is not like you have lack of options in your life. So it could also be possible that you are having romantic feelings for more than one person in your life and you are really confused. So you have to come out of this confusing state of mind. You have to come out of this confusing energy if you want clarity in your life, okay? Because if you are going to stay in this energy for longer, you will never get the clarity that you should seek from this connection, okay? So I can see you are right now very, very heartbroken kind of situation is there. You are on crossroads, you are completely shattered right now, but you're gonna move on. You're gonna move your ass and take a decision. This is how it works, okay? So thank you so much, Libras, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.